Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to make a dancing robot. Dancing robot is one of the common uh, options that many people have chosen. And I'm going to show you how to make a really simple one, and then you can expand on that one if you like. I certainly recommend that whatever you do, keep it simple at the beginning and then add on it later on. So I'm going to call this one Mr. White Dancing Bot. And it's very simple. I'm just going to add four move blocks. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm going to adjust the characteristics of each of them. So the first one, it is moving forward. I want it to move forward. And I'm just going to leave it as is. I'm going to have it move forward 1 rotation. The second one, though, I want it to come back. So I'm going to change the direction from forward to backwards. And I'm also going to leave it at 1 rotation, see how that is. I'm going to use trial and error here. So I'm trying something out. I'm going to see how it is, and I'm going to adjust it from there. And then the third one, I want it to turn right. So I'm going to move this slider all the way over to the right, the steering slider. And I'm going to leave it at 1 rotation as well. And I'm going to move the other one the other direction. So it's going to have 4 basic moves, just like me, simple dance moves: move forward, move backwards, turn right, turn left. Okay, and that's it. And then what I need to do is I need to connect it to the connect the brick by USB, and I'm going to download. I'm going to do that right now. Okay, once the USB cable is connected, I'm going to use the download button right here. I'm going to press it. It's going to run its magic. And when it's finished, that's a pop-up window will disappear, and I'm ready to go. I can disconnect my USB cable and try it out. So let's have a look at what it does. Okay, so I've got my bot ready to go. And I'm going to turn it so you can see it. Let's see. Okay, so I select my files, software files. Hopefully you can see this. Mr. White Dancing Robot. I'm going to select that. I'm going to pull back here, and I'm going to press the orange button to run it. So move forward, back. Okay, that was pretty good, but not quite what I want. I think that the robot moves too far forward and then too far back. I actually want the robot to move forward and then back to the same place. So I'm going to change this to a half rotation, and then the backwards, I'm going to have it go back 1 rotation as well. But then I'm going to slide in another move block right in there, and I'm going to have it move that half rotation forward again, so that it gets back to the same spot. And it's moving forward here, and it's a half rotation, so that should work. Now the other thing is my turn. I liked how it turned one way, I liked how it turned the other way, but it didn't. I want it to go to the left. So in this one it turns to the right, this one it turns to the left, but only makes it back to the middle. So let's just say we're going to go with 2 rotations here. And so now it's moved to the right 1 rotation, moved to the left 2 rotations. Now I need to get it back to the middle. So I'm going to put another move block in there that moves 1 rotation to the right. And I'm going to have to try that out. So let's give it a go. Let's find the program, my files. There's a lot of glare here. Let's see if we get this. Software files, Mr. White demo, and here we go. Yeah, that's not bad. Alright, that's not bad, but usually what happens when someone dances is they tend to do repetitive movements, so they do the same move over and over again. So I'm going to introduce you to the loop block. That's this one over here. And what the loop block does is you wrap it around certain commands, and it does it over and over again a preset number of times, or could be unlimited. So we're going to wrap this around. Let's see how this works. No, I can't get that to work, so I'm going to put that down. And I'm going to multiple select command. Let's try this then. Let's reach out and grab all those. And I'm just going to drag them inside that loop block. Okay, now when I select the loop block, I'm going to select it to run on a counter. Let's see what we got here. I want to go for count. So I'm just going to have this do this same move 4 times. Okay, and we'll download that and test it out and have a look. All right, let's take a look at my dancing robot. It's already set up, ready to go. I'm going to press the orange button to run it. Not a great dancer, but it's a move. And that's it. 4 times through.